Welcome back, everybody. I'm actually heading to Out of Motorcycles right now because I need to get my front tire changed, and also a bit of cone set adjustment has to be done, I guess, because I feel it to be a bit clunky. There's no way that there could be an issue with the bearings. I think it needs greasing, is what I think, after all this monsoon ride that I did. And by the way, if you guys don't know, I had got this nylon cap from Out of Motorcycles the last time when I got my cone set changed, I mean the bearings replaced. I got it done from Out of Motorcycles. ಟೈರ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಫ್ರಂಟ್. ಹಾಂ, ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಝೋಯ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಸರಿ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೋನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Says new, right?
But how long? It's been almost like 6 months?
I know the kilometers.
No,
11,000 kilometers. I wrote
Months?
Months, maybe, yeah, 7 months.
7 months. See, no? Also the movement also.
Just as new.
Can you find any rust in this?
No, I can't.
Then so the wash कर लेना. ऊपर का भी बेरिंग वॉश करके दे देना. तो सुबह के 3 बजे तक फिट कराया. KTM एडवेंचर में भी इसके काम आ गए तो दूसरे से एक लॉन्च करवा लगा तो ड्राइव चली आती है साइड से. वो भी गाड़ी 8 तारीख तक चलाना सोची राजस्थान. What's up? So this is the next day. I actually couldn't record yesterday because it started raining. So what happened yesterday was we removed the whole cone set and we greased the cone bearings. The bearings were absolutely fine even after riding in for 11,000 kilometers, which is really nice. Actually, I was really shocked, to be honest with you. I thought there would be at least a bit of rust after riding constantly in rain for 4,000 kilometers. So yeah, that went really well, and I got my tires changed, I got my suspension adjusted, and yeah, I got my chain cleaned and lubed. So if you guys remember in my last cone set video where I replaced the cone bearings, I said that I'll update you guys after maybe 10,000 kilometers or something, and yeah, this is the official update. You guys can get it done from there. You guys saw the images of the cone bearings. So if you're ever planning to get your cone set fixed, get it Out of Motorcycles. He will do a good job. You can trust him, and you can trust me right now. I've shown you guys the live example after 6 months and 11,000 kilometers of riding. And make sure you get this cap also. I think that cap really prevented water from seeping in. Yeah, thanks to that, and thanks to Zoheb Bhai and all the others in Out of Motorcycle. Yeah, that's it for the video. We're currently in a ride actually. That's Manoj and that's Samarth. So I just wanted to finish off the video. Alright, so I hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching, and you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.